Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a 1-second video longer for Instagram story. By the way, the steps that I'm about to show you works with both iPhone and Android. First, you'll need to go into your device browser and you're going to search for copwing.com, and you simply want to sign in with your Google account. It's quite quick and simple. Then you are going to tap on create new project and you are going to tap on click to upload, and you are going to upload the 1-second video that you had created. So I'll tap on choose files, and from here I'll simply search for the 1-second video. Let me go again, go into photo library instead, and I'll tap on the 1-second video right here, then tap on add, and you can see it's uploading the video. After it has uploaded the video, you'll simply tap on edit video right here, then you'll scroll down a bit and you'll see the option duplicate. You'll simply tap on that and you can see that it has been duplicated. Now the one in line 2, you'll simply drag it along and you want to place it right in line with the first one, as you can see right there. And after you have done that, if you would like to extend the time even longer, meaning you want to go up to 3 seconds, you'll simply tap on duplicate again. So you'll tap on edit video, scroll down, tap on duplicate, and you can see that it creates one more, and you'll simply drag it along there. And if you like to add even more seconds, you can go down and you can duplicate it again by tapping on edit video, scroll down, duplicate, then you'll tap on export right at the top right here, and it's exporting the video. And after the video has been exported, you can simply upload it to your Instagram story. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. As you can see right here, instead of it being 1 second, it is now 4 seconds long.